All right, gang, these are 3 of my favorite full body stretches. You could use them all together as a movement flow, which we're gonna show, or you could just pick one as your go-to movement snack. So try all 3, and if there's one that really just speaks to you, seems to hit your body just right, use it as your go-to movement snack when you've been sitting for an extended period of time, or you just feel tight and you wanna move. So I'm gonna demo all 3, and then we'll run through a mini flow of 5 reps of each. So drill 1 is a squat to fold to body roll. So we're gonna set up in a squat stance. We're gonna lower down with nice control all the way to our max depth. Then we're gonna place our hands on the ground, lift the hips up high, stretching out the hamstrings. Then slowly roll out of this, thinking about moving 1 vertebrae at a time, all the way back up to standing. That's 1 rep. It's a nice slow movement. Make sure to move 1 vertebrae at a time as you're rolling out of that forward fold. Drill 2 is a world's greatest stretch to hamstring rock. So we're gonna set up in this deep lunge. From here, we're gonna drop the inside elbow down to the ground, let the elbow tap the ground, reach the hand up high so our arms get in a straight line, place the hand back down, and then we're gonna rock into a hamstring stretch. Pause there for a second, rock back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. You're gonna do 5 reps all on one side, switch sides, 5 more reps there. Drill 3 is a heel sit rock to lateral reach. So we're gonna set up in a heel sit, just sitting on our heels like so. We're gonna place our hands behind us, rock back as far as you can, get a really nice quad and hip flexor stretch. Come back to that starting position, and then we're gonna make a lateral reach, keeping the butt down. Reaching to each side, really feeling the obliques stretch out, the low back stretch out. That's 1 rep, 5 reps there as well. So again, if one of these drills really speaks to you and it seems like it's gonna be a great go-to movement snack, use it throughout the day when you need to move. Now though, let's jump into a flow. We're gonna do 5 full reps of each of these. So we're gonna start back, squat, forward fold to body roll. So here we go. Always lowering with control, deepest squat we can. Hands on the ground, fingertips on the ground, whatever works for you. Remember, roll out slowly, 1 vertebrae at a time. There's 1. 2. 3. 4. Last 1. Keep the quality high. Don't rush this ever. Whew. 5, cool. All right, drill 2, that world's greatest stretch to hamstring rock. So let's set up in our long lunge. Inside elbow down. Make a big reach where the arms are in a straight line. Then hit the hamstring rock. There's 1. 2. 3. 4, last one here. Five, cool. And we'll switch sides. Here we go, inside elbow down. Big reach. Stretch the hamstring. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Cool. All right, in drill 3, that heel sit rock to lateral reach. So starting in the classic heel sit, we're rocking back, keep the knees on the ground, rock back as far as you can, getting a big quad hip flexor stretch. Back to the heel sit, lateral reach to each side. 1. 2. 3. Sink a little lower if you can. 4. Last one. And 5. Cool. All right, guys, if you got time, run through that flow again. And again, if one of these drills just feels like it is the right drill for you, use it as your movement snack during the day.